man, where'd you get them rims from though?
Is the coolant good? Is it green? Is it orange?
What about them brakes?
Now, is it better if it's shiny like that, or is it matte?
No, look at them things right there. Is that one of them things on that thing?
That's definitely a thing on that thing.
Hey man, you see my cousin Jimmy, he was going to get himself one of them Buicks one day on this thing, you know what I'm saying?
Man, if this thing was a transformer, which one would it be?
No man, I'm saying, did you ever see the brakes on this thing? Dude, Jimmy, you seen Jimmy Sugar Cookies before?
I don't know who Jimmy is.
Man, I was thinking about getting my car tuned, but I don't want to avoid my warranty. Do you think that'll avoid my
All
warranty?
I'm saying is, if Jimmy he said he was going to skydive one day, but he's going to take his bird with him. Are you going to, what?
Now, is it true you're supposed to fill these things all the way to the top?
With oil?
Hey man, can I start this thing up one day and go boom boom, you know what I'm saying? Oh,
So my buddy's got a Chevy Sonic. I heard he beat one of these in a drag race. Now, is that true? I don't think that Sonic beat anybody. But these things, they just kind of slow.